Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles from the right side or top right side, and you can then expand it and look for the battery saver, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, simply tap on it to turn it on. It turns the battery this kind of yellowish color or yellow orangish, and yeah, that's it. It's now enabled, and that's all you needed to do. Now once you're done with it, I believe you can either charge the battery to full to turn it off, or you can just do it yourself again, finding the toggle and tapping on it once again will toggle it off. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.